Hi guys, today I did my hair and this is a braid out. I did the rubber band method. So this is the finished look, and if you wanna see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so I already gone ahead and moisturized my hair with a moisturizer. Okay, so this is the type of hair I'll be using. It's expression braid from Bijo. It's realistic fiber, and I paid $6 for this hair. In my country it's $600 in Jamaican currency, so you should be able to find expression hair in your country wherever you are. So this is the hair I'll be using, and it's really long. I cut it in four pieces, and the color is 1B. So continue watching. And I already added the rubber band to my hair. I parted my hair in sections and added the rubber band. They weren't too small or too big. I didn't want them too small or too big, so I did them a medium size. So I already added the rubber bands and moisturized my hair, and I'm gonna show you how I added the braids in. So after I finished cutting the hair in 4 pieces, I gone ahead and pulled the ends of the hair, because you can't have the hair all on the same level. Some have to be longer than some. Otherwise, when you're braiding the hair, when you reach to the end, all the hair is gonna have the same length. You don't want that. You want some to be longer than some, so it doesn't unravel. So you need to pull the end of the hair so some of the strands will be longer than some. That's what I did. So you need to do that if you're starting out to braid. So once you gone ahead and pull the ends of the braids, that's the amount that I'm using. I'm not using much hair, just a little bit, because I don't want them to be too big and neither too small. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid the hair. So you just continue watching until the end. You will see the final look. So I finished one side of the front, and I started on the other side. It takes a while to finish, so if you don't want to do it yourself, go to the salon and have someone do it for you, because it will take a long time to complete. I didn't complete mine until the next day. I finished it braiding it the same night, but to add the beads and to hot water the ends, I did that the other day. Okay guys, so this is the next day after I completed doing my braid out. So I just finished hot watering the ends. I dipped them in hot water because I didn't want them to unravel, so that's what I did. And these are the beads I'll be using to add to them with the rubber band. I found some beads, some clear plastic gold color beads in a hair shop, a hair store, and these are the ones that I'm gonna add to the ends, just to give them a little weight and to add a little different look to the final result. So stay tuned and you will see the final result, how they look. These beads, I think I paid about $2 for the pack of beads, and 50 came in them. I counted them, so it was 50 that came in one pack. So I only... Okay, so the beads came with this little white thing that help you to install the beads onto the hair. It's like a lash hook thing that you push the hair through and then slide the beads onto the hair. So this is how I'm gonna show you how to do it. And once you slide the beads onto the hair, then you're gonna go ahead and add the rubber bands to it so you can hold the beads in place. I had to redo some of them because I added 2 beads and to most of them, and I had to undo it and only added 1 so that I had enough beads for my entire head. So that's how I added the beads and then trimmed the ends of the hair. So this is the final look, guys, after an entire day. Until the next day I added the beads. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. So please give this video a thumbs up, like and comment, and also share my video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.